Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing another Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. Today I'm super excited because this video is actually a collaboration with my dear friend TAREN here on YouTube. I'm going to go ahead and link her YouTube channel and her Instagram in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check out her video. She is so incredibly kind. Her personality is so fun. She seriously brightens my day every time I watch her content. And she is my first friend here on YouTube. I distinctly remember watching her videos like years ago and just chatting with her in the comments, and I just really admire her creativity and her content that she produces. If you guys like unboxings, if you like try-ons and hauls and inside the dressing rooms, definitely go check out her channel. Again, it will be linked in the description box down below, and make sure you guys let her know that I sent you. But as I mentioned, today's video is going to be a Stitch Fix unboxing. So both TAREN and I requested the same products from both of our stylists. So we requested a fall inspired box with some animal print pieces. If you've been watching me, you'll know I love animal print, especially for the fall time, specifically like leopard and cheetah print, but I've been kind of getting into snakeskin as well recently. And honestly, I will let you guys know my stylist killed this box. It is actually one of my favorites that I've received in a really long time. So I'm super excited to share all these products with you guys. If you're interested, I will have everything I shared today listed in the description box down below, including my size. If you guys do Stitch Fix as well, you can easily request these items from your stylist by just letting them know the product name, the brand, and if it's available in your size, they might be able to send it to you. So that will be all linked down below. I will also have a link if you're interested in trying out Stitch Fix. You guys know I've talked about it a million times, but Stitch Fix is seriously my favorite styling service, and I know it's a lot of your favorites as well. But I'm going to keep this intro short since we have so much good stuff to share today. If you're interested in seeing this fall inspired Stitch Fix unboxing, then please keep watching. The first item I have to share with you guys today is from the brand Judy Blue. These are the Fiona distressed straight leg jeans in a size 14, and they cost $54. So these are actually a girlfriend fit denim. I have been on the hunt for a good pair of girlfriend jeans or boyfriend jeans, kind of like any type of straight leg jeans. I've been really trying to find a good pair, and these are actually really nice. So they're a medium wash distressed pair of denim. You guys know I love some distressing, so they have some up here at the thigh, and then we also have some more at the knee here. And then at the bottom, there's a little bit of distressing, nothing too much. They fit me, I think, like right around the ankle, which I'm totally fine with that. That's kind of the way that I like my jeans to fit, especially in the fall and like winter time, so I can kind of show off a little bit of ankle when I'm wearing some booties. These jeans are super stretchy. They have a really nice stretch to them. They fit nice and high-waisted. They have traditional front and back pockets. They have all of the things that I love so much in denim. The only thing I will say about them is they are a very stretchy material, and almost like a little too stretchy, where I feel like they're gonna stretch out towards the end of the day. So if I wanted to keep these, I probably would just size down one size in these, even though 14 is typically my true size, just because of how much stretches in these. I feel like they'll stretch out throughout the day. I really like these. I'm deeply considering keeping them. I did just recently get a really good pair of mom jeans from American Eagle that I really like. They stretch mom jeans. I know I talked about them on Instagram, but I'll link them down below if you're interested. They are my favorite mom jeans currently, but I've been kind of still on the hunt for a few other options, and I think these are really cute. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think about these. I'm very torn. I don't know if I want to keep them or not. Moving on, I got a few sweaters. So this first sweater is from the brand Pinque. This is the Jamelya back detail cardigan in a size extra large, and this one costs $46. And this is what the cardigan looks like here. It's in this beautiful mustard color, which I absolutely love. It does fit me a little bit more oversized, but it's very comfortable fit. The material is super cozy, but it's actually very light, so this would be a perfect piece to wear in the fall time. And then the fun detail on this one is there's actually this little crisscross in the back of the cardigan. We don't have any pockets in this one, but there are some little slits on the side. I was all for keeping this cardigan actually until I found an absolute dupe for it at Walmart. I'll link it down below again for you guys if you're interested. It looks exactly the same. Actually, the one from Walmart has a hood, and it was like $12. It's not in this color, so that's the only unfortunate thing, because I really love this color, but it looks very similar, so it's kind of hard for me to keep this one knowing that the one from Walmart exists. But let me know, of course, what you guys think of all of these products in the comments down below. I love hearing from you. And then I did receive one more sweater. This one's from the brand Market and Spruce. This is the Fallan twist back plunging v-neck pullover in a size extra large, and this one costs $58. So this is what the sweater looks like here. It's in this beautiful light blue color. I do not have anything like this in my wardrobe at all. I love this color. It's very pretty. It's just a traditional long sleeve sweater. I do think this is actually inside out, but that's okay. But then we get to the back and it has this really cool knot detail. I actually own a sweater very similar to this from Rue 21. I just shared it very recently with you guys on my channel. If you're interested, I'll link that video down below, which I love that one from Rue 21, but this one definitely feels a lot nicer quality. The material is very soft, and again, I love this color. I do not have anything like this in my wardrobe, so I'm thinking about keeping this one, but I want to size up just one size so it kind of fits me a little bit slouchy. Let me know what you guys think about that down below. I think the extra large fits great. Like, it just fits like a standard sweater. However, what I'm looking for is just a little bit more of an oversized fit, and I just love this color so much. It's like this periwinkle, like bluish purple, just so pretty, and would look so good in the fall time. And then moving on to my last top, this one I love. I do not own anything like this in my wardrobe, and I think it's so fun. So this one is from the brand Lush. This is the Catalana Surplice bodysuit in a size extra large, and this one costs $44, which I think the price is pretty good for this piece because it does feel really nice quality. I have mine all kinds of inside out, but here we go. So this is a snakeskin bodysuit. You guys know in the beginning of this video I mentioned snakeskin because I have been really liking it recently, so I'm super happy my stylist was able to find this piece. So it is a wrap style bodysuit. We have the clip in the center, which is great. I love having that additional closure in the chest region. So you have the option if you want to be a little bit more risky, but you can also close it up if you want to wear this piece to work or like around your family, your friends, you know, whatever, so you don't feel like you're busting out. This piece is long sleeve, and it does have the little elastic detail at the bottom of the sleeve. As you guys might be able to see, it is a little bit more sheer. However, when wearing it, it is not sheer like in the chest region or anything like that, so I don't personally mind. And then, like I said, it is a bodysuit, so we have that little strap detail at the very bottom. Now, typically I have a pretty hard time with bodysuits because I am so tall. For reference, I am 5'10", and I do always keep my stats listed in the description box down below. And I hold most of my height in my torso region in comparison to my legs. So bodysuits specifically are very hard for me to find. However, this one fits me beautifully. It straps really well, and it's going to look so good with a pair of black jeans and maybe like a denim jacket. That's kind of the vibe that I'm going for with this piece. So this one is a total win for me. I am thinking I'm probably going to keep this piece out of all of them, but the last sweater was also a contender, and so were those jeans. Now the last piece is a pair of shoes. I don't often really receive shoes from Stitch Fix, so I'm super happy about these. These are the Double Decker times Kate Spade pony hair slip-on sneakers in a size 10. And you guys, these cost $110, so ouch. A little expensive for me to spend on sneakers, but they are absolutely darling. So they're a standard pair of like slip-on shoes. They have that little black line at the bottom, which I feel like a lot of Keds sneakers have. And then they are leopard print. They're really cute. And then the material on them is actually like a fur, so hopefully you guys can see that. So they're not like a rubbery feel or anything. These are a high quality sneaker. You can definitely tell. They fit really nice on the feet. They have a lot of space in here. I actually probably could go down a size in these because they're fitting me a little big. I'm having a hard time keeping these though, you guys, because I've seen so many different places do very similar shoes to these for a much more affordable price. I actually saw a pair even at Walmart that were like around $10. Those I feel like did look a little like inexpensive in my personal opinion, which they were still really cute, but I think I'm looking for something just a little bit different. So I did see a pair of Vans which were around like $50, so I think I'm gonna go with those as opposed to these, even though I do really like them, and like I said, they're very nice quality. But spending $100 on a pair of leopard sneakers is hard for me to do, especially when they may go out of style next year. But definitely let me know what you guys think about these, as well as all of the pieces I've shared so far today in the comments down below. You guys know I love hearing from you. But that's actually gonna do it for the Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you guys haven't already, and check out my Instagram. I'll have it linked in the description box down below. All items that I shared with you guys today will be listed in the description box down below, including my size in case you guys are interested. I will also have a link down there if you're interested in signing up for Stitch Fix. You guys know it's my favorite styling service and I 100% do recommend it. I will also have TAREN's channel, her video, and her Instagram linked in the description box down below. Make sure you guys go check out her channel. I'm super excited to see what her stylist sent her. She told me it was going to be a good box, so I'm sure she got some really cute pieces. And if you guys love animal print like we do, definitely go check that video out. Let me know again in the comments down below what your favorite piece was that I tried on today. Mine is definitely the snakeskin bodysuit, but the sweaters are close second and those jeans are close third. So, but let me know what your order was, and let me know if you think my stylist did a good job in regards to my request, being that I was looking for a fall inspired box with animal prints. I think she did a really good job. I wish there was maybe like one more animal print, but she did let me know in her little note that those were the only pieces that she could find at the time, but she will keep an eye on some more. So I'm super excited to receive some more animal prints as we go through this fall season. But that's gonna do it for today's video. So I hope you guys all have an amazing day, amazing week, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.